हम शुरू करेंगे चैप्टर 21 अल अंबिया। इसका मतलब है द प्रोफेट्स। 21.1 द टाइम ऑफ पीपुल्स जजमेंट हैज ड्रॉन नियर yet they are heedlessly turning away. 2 whatever new reminder comes to them from their Lord, then they only listen to it jokingly. 3 with their hearts totally distracted, the evildoers would converse secretly, saying, "It is the one not human like yourselves. Would you fall for this witchcraft, even though you can clearly see?" 4 the prophet responded, "My Lord fully knows every word spoken in the heavens and the earth, for he is all hearing, all knowing." 5 yet they say this Quran is a set of confused dreams. No, he has fabricated it. No, he must be a poet. So let him bring us a tangible sign like those prophets sent before. 6 not a single society we destroyed before them ever believed after receiving the signs. Will these pagans then believe? 7 we did not send messengers before you, O prophet, except mere men inspired by us. If you polytheists do not know this already, then ask those who have knowledge of the scriptures. 8 we did not give those messengers supernatural bodies that did not need food nor were immortal. 9 then we fulfilled our promise to them, saving them along with whoever we willed and destroying the transgressors. 10 we have surely revealed to you a book in which there is glory for you. Will you not then understand? 11 imagine how many society of wrongdoers we have destroyed, raising up other people after them. 12 when the wrongdoers sensed the arrival of our torment, they started to run away from their cities. 13 they were told, "Do not run away, return to your luxuries and homes, so you may be questioned about your fate." 14 they cried, "Woe to us, we have surely been wrongdoers." They kept repeating their cry until we mowed them down, leaving them lifeless. 16 we did not create the heavens and the earth and everything in between for sport. 21.17 had we intended to take some amusement, we could have found it in our presence if that had been our will. 18 and in fact we hurl the truth against falsehood, leaving it crushed. and it quickly vanishes, and the woe be to you for what you claim. 19. To him belong all those in heavens and the earth, and those nearest to him are not too proud to worship him, nor do they tire. 20. They glorify him day and night, never wavering. 21. Or have they taken the gods from the earth who can raise the dead? 22. Had there been other gods besides Allah in the heavens or the earth, both realms would have surely been corrupted. So glorified is Allah, Lord of the throne, far above what they claim. 23. He cannot be questioned about what he does, but they will all be questioned. Or have they taken other gods beside him? Say, O Prophet, show me your proof. Here is the Quran, the reminder of those with me, along with every earlier scriptures, the reminder for those before me. But most of them do not know the truth, so they turn away. 25. When we sent a messenger before you, O Prophet, without revealing to him, there is no God worthy of worship except me, so worship me alone.